It's swimming on me. Can I try a size down? Definitely. Let me get you a small.
Did you catch that? It's swimming on me. That's exactly what English speakers say when clothes are much too big. Not, it's very, very big. Not, it's too large. Just, it's swimming on me. And that's just one of the expressions you'll learn today. Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to Lingolog, where you learn the English people actually use in everyday life. Today, we're going shopping. You'll learn what to say when you need another size, want to try something on, ask for help, describe how clothes fit, and much more. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what to say the next time you walk into a clothing store. Let's go.
Hi, are you looking for anything in particular today?
You walk into the store. You're looking around when an employee smiles and asks, "Hi, are you looking for anything in particular today?" Don't worry, this is just a friendly way of asking if you need help. If you'd rather look around on your own, simply say, "I'm just browsing."
I'm just browsing, thanks.
Browsing means looking around without planning to buy anything. Many learners say, "I'm just looking." That's completely correct, but "I'm just browsing" is the phrase you'll hear much more often in shops. Now, imagine you're looking for something specific. Many learners say, "I want a jacket." There's nothing wrong with that, but a more natural way to ask is, "I'm looking for a nice jacket. Could you help me?"
Actually, I'm looking for a nice jacket. Can you help me? Absolutely. We just got some new ones in. Follow me.
"I'm looking for" sounds more natural than "I want" when you're shopping. And "could you help me" makes the request friendly and polite. But maybe you're still deciding. In that case, say,
I'm not sure yet, but I'll let you know if I need anything.
it's friendly, polite, and tells the employee you'd like to keep browsing for now. Let's do a quick recap. Looking around? "I'm just browsing, thanks." Need help? "I'm looking for a nice jacket. Could you help me?" Still deciding? "I'm not sure yet, but I'll let you know if I need anything." Perfect. Now, you've found something you like. The only problem? Your size isn't on the rack. Don't worry, this happens all the time. Walk over to an employee and ask, "Excuse me, do you happen to have this in a medium?"
Excuse me, do you happen to have this in a medium? Let me check the back. I think we might have one. Thank you so much.
Excellent. You could simply ask, "Do you have this in a medium?" That's perfectly natural. Adding "do you happen to" just makes the question sound a little softer and friendlier. Need a different color? Ask, "Does this come in any other colors?"
Does this come in any other colors? Yes, we have it in cream and light gray as well.
Or be more specific. "Do you have this in black?" Simple, natural, useful. Now, let's talk about the fabric. If you want to know whether it stretches, ask, "Is this material stretchy?" Easy and very common. Here's a slightly more advanced expression. "Does this have much give?"
Does this have much give to it? Yes, it's quite stretchy. It moves really well. Oh, that's great.
In this context, give means the fabric stretches or has some flexibility. So if someone says, "It doesn't have much give," they mean the fabric feels quite stiff. One more practical question. Is this easy to wash? If you're buying everyday clothes, that's always worth asking. You've found the right size. Now it's time to try everything on. In English, you'll hear 3 different names for the place where you try on clothes: fitting room, changing room, dressing room. They all mean the same thing. To find one, simply ask, "Excuse me, where are the fitting rooms?" Or if you're in the UK, you'll often hear,
Sorry, where are the fitting rooms, please? Right here, go ahead.
notice the word sorry. In British English, people often say sorry before asking a question. It's not an apology, it's simply a polite way to get someone's attention.
How did you get on?
You try everything on. A few minutes later, you step out of the fitting room. The attendant smiles and asks, "How did you get on?" If you're learning British English, this is a great phrase to remember. It simply means, "How did it go?" You could answer, "I'm still deciding." Or, "I think I need a bigger size. Could I try a large?" And now comes the most useful part of today's lesson. You're standing in front of the mirror, the clothes are on. But how do you describe what you're seeing? Most learners only know it's too big or it's too small. Today, you're going to learn the expressions native speakers actually use. But before we talk about clothes that are too tight or too loose, there's one mistake many English learners make. 2 very common words: fit and suit. They are not the same. Fit is about size. Does the clothing fit your body properly? Suit is about appearance. Does it look good on you? Does it match your style? Listen to the difference.
The jacket fits me perfectly, but the color doesn't suit me.
The size is perfect. The color isn't. This is a small difference, but it's one that makes your English sound much more natural. Now, let's start with clothes that are too tight. The basic answer is, it's too small. That works, but native speakers usually describe how it feels. For example, it's a bit snug. Snug means slightly tight, but not uncomfortably tight. Maybe you can still wear it, but it doesn't feel quite right. Another very common pattern is to mention where it's tight. It's a little tight around the waist.
It's a little tight around the waist. I think I need to go a size up. Of course, I'll grab a large for you right now. Thank you.
Or, it's tight across the shoulders. Now, let's look at the opposite problem. The clothes are too big. The basic answer is, it's too big. Perfectly correct. But here are the expressions you'll hear much more often. First, it's a bit baggy. Baggy means the clothes are too loose, with more fabric than you need. Next, it's swimming on me. I love this one. It means the clothes are far too big, so big that it almost looks like you're disappearing inside them. If the problem is the length, simply say, "These are way too long," or "They're a bit short." Notice the phrase "way too." It's a very natural way to say much too.
What do you think? They're a bit too long. Do you have a shorter length? I think we do. Let me check.
Now, let's talk about how the fabric feels. If it's uncomfortable because it's rough, say, "It's a bit itchy." Or a little stronger, "It feels quite scratchy." If it feels nice instead, "This feels really soft." Or, "This is so comfortable."
Is everything okay? It's a bit itchy on my skin. Is there a softer version? Yes, we have a cashmere blend that's much softer.
Sometimes, though, nothing feels quite right. Maybe one item is too tight, another is too baggy, and one just doesn't suit you. So you decide not to buy anything. What do you say when you hand the clothes back? Let's look at some natural, polite answers. Before we continue, here's something that surprises many English learners. In English-speaking countries, it's completely normal to try on clothes and leave without buying anything. You don't need to apologize or make excuses. A simple, friendly response is all you need. The attendant might ask, "How did you get on?" Here are 3 natural replies. If nothing was quite right,
How did you get on? Not quite what I was looking for, but thank you. No problem at all. Let me know if you want to try anything else.
or
I liked the style, but the fit wasn't right for me. That's fine. Was it the size or the cut? A bit of both, really. We have a few similar styles. Want to have a look?
and here's one of my favorites. It's not really me. This doesn't mean there's anything wrong with the clothes. It simply means they don't match your style or personality. If you want a little more time to think, say,
I'm going to have a think. I might come back for it. Of course, it's a popular one, so it might not stay long. Good to know.
a very natural, polite way to say, "I'm not ready to decide yet." This time, though, you found something you love. It's the right size, it fits perfectly. Now, there's just one thing left to do. Let's go and pay.
You're at the checkout. In British English, the place where you pay is called the till. In American English, you'll usually hear the register or the checkout. The cashier might ask, "Did you find everything okay?"
Did you find everything okay today? Yes, thank you. I love this one.
Another common question is, "Would you like a bag?" You can answer, "Yes, please," or "No, I'm okay, thanks." Easy. Now here are 2 useful questions that you can ask. First, is this in the sale?
Is this in the sale at all? No, I'm afraid not. It's full price. It's £45. That's okay. I'll still take it. Great choice.
If you're learning American English, say, "Is this on sale?" Both mean the same thing. The item costs less than its original price. One more useful question. Can I return it if it doesn't fit?
Can I return it if it doesn't fit when I get home? Yes, of course. 14 days for an exchange or refund. Tags on.
It's short, natural, and always worth asking before you buy. That's it. You've just completed an entire shopping trip in English.
See you next time. Thanks. Bye.
Before we finish, let's do one final challenge. I'll describe the situation. You say the phrase. Ready? Let's go. You walk into a store. The employee asks if you need any help, but you'd rather look around by yourself. I'm just browsing. Thanks. You find a sweater you like, but your size isn't there. What do you ask? Excuse me, do you happen to have this in a medium? You're in the fitting room. The trousers are tight around the waist. They're a little tight around the waist. I need to go a size up. Now the opposite. The jumper is far too big. It's swimming on me. Nothing feels quite right, and you're handing everything back. What do you say? Not quite what I was looking for, but thanks. How did you do? If you remembered most of those phrases, that's fantastic. You're not just learning English, you're learning to use it. And if you missed a few, don't worry. Go back, watch that section again, and say each phrase out loud. That's the fastest way to make these expressions part of your everyday English. I'm Emma, and this is Lingolog. Every lesson here is designed to help you speak the kind of English you'll actually hear and actually use in real life. If you enjoyed today's lesson and learned something new, I'd love to have you here for the next one, so don't forget to subscribe. Next week, we'll tackle another everyday situation and learn the expressions that native speakers really use. Until then, take care, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.